Now that it's springtime, it's one of the best gardening seasons of the year. May is the ideal time to start your garden since frost dates are shorter and mild. Here are our top 5 tips for spring gardening this year. Number 1, spring cleaning. This is the perfect opportunity to rip out those old dying plants and pulling weeds. Pull plants and weeds to eliminate crowding in your newly planted garden. We recommend pulling the weeds in your gardens instead of using a pesticide to keep the healthy soil for your plants. 2, redesign your garden space. Spring is the perfect opportunity to add color, new decor, and revamp your garden. Redesign your space by adding a drip irrigation system, painting old pots, or rotating your crops. Number 3, plant pollinator-friendly flowers. Planting flowers that attract pollinators will not only help the environment, but they will help out your garden too. Great pollinator-friendly flowers we recommend are purple aster flowers, cone flowers, and dahlias. Planting pollinator flowers will add pops of color to your garden space that's perfect for the springtime. Number 4, compost. It's a season for out with the old and in with the new. Add compost into your soil to give your spring garden a boost. You can either purchase compost from your local nursery, or even better, you can make it at home. Number 5, plant with leaves. We provide you the best plants for the spring season like lemongrass, tomatoes, peppers, basil, and more. Check out our website to order your first veggie or herb leafed box today.